float. So float F you are writing, float you are getting error. Somebody people asked me 0.0 is coming, sir, answer. And if I write some total marks divided by 600 into 100, it is not working, sir. Like this, some doubts will be there, no problem. So that all will be rectified slowly. Some precedences will be there. JVM internal behaviors will be there. That all concepts still not ended, no, so the doubts will be there normally. So some programs will get a doubt. We create a doubt in the student actually. That doubt will lead to two ways. Somebody will drop it, somebody will wait it until I must know this, what is happening. So there we created one doubt to you, what is happening in float. So anyway, today data types discussion is going to happen today. Through that, I'm going to reveal what is going to happen there. Right? Okay. Today's class is before that review, 5 minutes last class. Last week is program definition, program stages, difference between compilation and execution, difference between objective code and bytecode, platform independent and dependent, high level language, low level language, translator, compiler, interpreter, difference between JDK, JRE, JVM, installing Java software, setting a path. What is the advantage of having a path in environment variable? What is the difference between user variable and system variable? What is the advantage within path, difference between path and class path? After that, introducing yourself to class component. So class definition, what class contains or what class holds, what is the standard format of name, like this, where to write the program, where to save the program, where to compile, where to execute, like this. So many things has been happened in the last 4 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, we concentrated writing a program, and Saturday is backup. So without your knowledge, 5 sessions has been executed in the last week with introduction to subject plus many informations. So this week will be started with one small chapter known as make it star mark IMP, naming conventions, naming conventions in Java. Naming conventions in Java. Naming conventions in Java. The coding rules. The coding rules which are followed, by the programmer in writing Java programs. The coding rules which are followed by the programmer in writing Java programs are known as naming conventions. Naming conventions in Java. The coding rules which are followed by the programmer in writing Java programs, are known as naming conventions in Java. Naming conventions in Java. So there are 5 coding rules available to you. So first one is about your packages. Anyway, make it one term there known as packages. Packages means what, sir? There is one term known as a package. Packages are the collection of classes and interfaces. Packages are collection of classes and interfaces. Packages are the collection of classes and interfaces. Underline the term classes and interfaces. Underline it. Rule. Packages must be in lower case. Must be in lower case. Whenever you want to write packages, the packages must be in lower case. So example packages are java.lang. Lang means language package. Java.util, utility package. Java.io, input, output stream, output stream package. Stream means flow, input flow, output flow. Java.net, networking package. So whenever you want to write lang, you must write lowercase. That's called package name, lang. So from this week will be very clear and chapter wise will come. Right? Okay. Terminology will be entering into our subject. Pure Java subject you are getting. Term started already. Package, one term started. Package means folder, nothing but. The package will hold classes and interfaces. That's the meaning. So all are new to the language anyway, but this week daily you have to read it. Daily you read once, the terminology purpose. Okay, right. Dot means what? Very good. Dot you have to read it as in belongs to. Lang belongs to Java. Util belongs to Java. IO belongs to Java. Net belongs to Java. This lang, util, IO, net are known as packages. Sir, Java means what? Java means library here. Java represents here. Java represents library. Represents library. The Java word represents library. Means lang belongs to library. Util belongs to library. IO belongs to library. That's the meaning. They are called packages. Packages means one small folder indirectly. Their class and interface available. That's the meaning of it. Whenever as a code writer, if you want to write package, that should be lowercase. That's called coding standard or coding rule, you can say. Now, classes and interfaces. Make a heading. Classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces are collection of variables and methods. Classes and interfaces are collection of variables and methods. Variables and methods. Underline variables and methods. Underline. What class will hold means variable and method. Already I made a statement to you. Class is a collection of what now? Variable, method, main I said. Right? Actually, main also method category only. Main also comes under method category. But in the last week, I said main also available here. I said the reason who are coming from other language support like C language or C++, their one main is available. So the student will get a doubt now, sir, where is main? They'll ask it. To overcome that question, I said main is inside the class. I separated variable, methods, main I separated. Main is nothing but starting your program, I said. But main comes under variable category, method category, method category. So simply you can say class is a collection of what now? Variables and methods. So today, why you are highlighting interfaces? Last week you not said interface, no sir. This week you are saying interface. Why means class interface. Similar components actually. Classes will be there. Interfaces will be there. Some behavioral difference will be there for them. So if you look into your introduction class, Java alphabets, if you look it, Java alphabets, I highlighted 7 here. What is this two now? Classes and interfaces. Anyway, interface is there. Class anyway, abstract class only. So simply total language depends upon two components, class and interface. Total programming module, core Java, advanced Java, Spring, web services, total programming module, total programs and applications depends upon two components, maybe class, maybe interface. Class I started. One day I'll give the complete information of a class. Then we start interface. But today I'm saying that a package can hold classes and interfaces. These classes and interfaces can hold variables and methods. That's the theoretical point. Sir, what is the coding rule? If I want to write a class, what is the coding rule I said to you in the last few programs? Sir, starting letter must be capital. Not only starting letter, sometimes the class will have more than one word. Sometimes the class will have more than one word. If a class is having more than one word, each word starts with a capital letter. Make it in classes and interfaces. In classes and interfaces. In classes and interfaces, each word starts, each word must start with uppercase letter, starts with uppercase letter, starts with uppercase letter. Right. Example, suppose I want to take employee salary. I want to take one class. I'll write it as employee, SALARY. So E capital, S capital. Suppose I want to take one class name as input stream reader. I want to take I capital, S capital, R capital. So each word in classes and interfaces starts with capital letter or uppercase. That is a coding standard. Now, variables and methods. Make a side. Variables and methods. Put your mobile phone silent. And if anybody forget it, keep your mobile phone silent. If you are busy, don't come to the class. Somebody who is interested will affect. Keep your mobile phone silent for at least 1.5 hours. Right. Definition. Variables are data holders. Variables are data holders. Don't forget, I will not repeat it again. So this room is career oriented room. Here aspirants are available, not degree college students and engineering college students. Aspirants means seriously entered into this room for career. Some people will be interested. Non-interested students, no need to come and don't pay your fee and sit here and waste the time. Don't waste the amount also. So interested people only should come. Because if you are not interested, interested person will be affected. So already you know many people will be affected by their friends only, wasting time or chatting something. So that should not be repeated again in this room now, because we are career oriented rooms. We trainers will take bit seriously about your time. We never crack the jokes also, because the time is very precious, we know. Because the student already wastes his 4 years and 3 years time and came here. So we know that value. Because of this reason, keep your mobile phone silent for 1.5 hours. If you are really busy, sorry, without seeing messages, without speaking to my client meetings, I cannot sit here, sir, means don't come. Online is there, you can sit at home. Got it right? Now, variables are data holders. Variables are data holders. Normal variables in all the languages, they hold data generally. So variables means some data holders. That's the meaning actually. On that data, some action to be performed. On that data, some actions should be performed. So methods are the actions. Make it. Not rule only, sorry. One more definition down. Variables are the data holders and methods are the actions. Methods are the actions. Just you write. When the complete chapter comes, we discuss about variables and methods separately. At present, variables are data holders. Methods are the actions. Rule. Up to now in the above 5 programs. So 3 programs I written, 2 programs as an assignment to you. In that assignment only many people asked doubts to me. Anyway, I will answer the doubts with writing a solution. Don't worry. You are getting 0 also, no problem. The program is running. Be happy. The program is generating one result. Whether correct or wrong or secondary. One answer is coming without errors. Means you are able to run one program and without errors you typed one program. That is a great thing. Because first program, no, that is a great thing. Answer wrongly may come, correctly may come. Because all information is not available, no. Still now data types not discussed. Typecastings not discussed. What kind of assignment happening in Java virtual machines, we don't know. Understood the statement now. So in that process, I used only main method. Variables and methods not entered still now. Variable may be entered inside the main, but outside the main not entered. So we can say variables and methods not entered, we are saying. Up to now, you not seen any methods what I written in above 3 programs. So what is the rule of writing a methods means? In methods and variables, first word lowercase, from second word onwards, starting letter capital. Make a statement. In variables and methods, in variables and methods, in variables and methods, the first word in lowercase and from second word onwards, second word onwards, the starting letter must be capital. In variables and methods, the first word in lowercase and from second word onwards, the starting letter must be capital. So, example, if you take variables, example variables, you take it. If I want to write roll number, I must write roll number like this. ROLL, roll, N capital, roll number. Two words, no? Example. PAN card number, PAN, CARD, card number. I written username, I think. I cannot remember username in the last program. I written one first name in the last program. Observed? Right. First word in the lower case. From second word starting letter capital. This kind of representation we must do for your variables and methods. Sir, what about methods now here? Methods. Get total salary like this. If you want to write get total salary, get lowercase, total. If you want to write completely, you can write total SAL. T capital, S capital. Set phone number like this. Read line. Wherever the brace is there at the ending, this one. This symbol represents your method. The symbol represents your method. So represents your method now. So how to identify the difference between variables and methods means here this kind of symbol available means method. If it is not available means variable. Moreover, I observed one or two students who are showing that error to me. You are writing spaces. Whenever you want to take the names, don't use any space there. It is a combined word. Must not use it. After that, few rules are there. I'll show. Whenever I'm executing, I'll show that. Starts with numeric, ending with numeric. That kind of notes I'll give later on. But this is variable part. All of you understood variable and methods, right? So somebody will ask me, sir, how to remember them means no need to remember it. Daily, if you write for 10-15 programs, automatically you will remember that only 5 rules will be there. Already 3 completed, I think. Packages, classes and interfaces, variables and methods. Only 4 rules. One more. Keywords, make it. Keywords. Right. The predefined words. The predefined words. The predefined words from the library are known as keywords or built-in words. The predefined words from the library are known as keywords or built-in words. Are built-in words. Rule. The keywords must be in lower case. The keywords must be in lower case. Must be in lowercase. So example keywords are, in the above program, you used void. Void is a keyword. Static is a keyword. Like this, for will be there, while will be there, if will be there, dot, dot, dot. So they are all keywords available from your library. So when we are writing keywords, they must be in lowercase. It's a point. In C language, how many keywords are there? How many? 32 keywords will be there in C language. That is not changed since many years. But count of keywords in Java, you cannot say. The reason, every 6 months one product will come. We don't know how many keywords will be added there, but you must say 54 keywords, you must say minimum. Minimum count is how much now? 54, you can write. But maximum count, you have to count it now. In Java 20 is coming March. Java 19 came in 2002 September. You have to check back the documents, how many are there. Got it right? So here nobody will ask that question to you. How many keywords available in Java? If anybody asks, you must say minimum 54 keywords are available, you must say. That's the point. So this is naming convention. Here one word will come, sorry, question will come to me. Sir, if I don't follow naming convention, what happens? According to real-time market, you must follow. No choice to you, you must follow. In a regular practice at lab or home, if you don't follow also, answer will come. Sir, why I should follow when I go to real time? Because all engineers will be using the same rules. And moreover, your code will be shared and viewed by few teams. When other people are seeing your code, maybe for performance tuning purpose, maybe for constructing view layer purpose, maybe for constructing model layer purpose, a number of layers will be there. Your code is not final, no. When you written a program, sir, today only I got a job, sir, my code I written, sir, directly takes to the project means nobody will take it in. Because your code is nothing but scratch code. It takes time to write one efficient code. So somebody will be reviewed your code. Performance will be there, filtering will be there, that normalizing will be there. Many things we are going to do about that code. In that process, somebody has to understand what you writes there. Because you have to follow common rules available by all Java developers in the world. How many rules are there? Means 4. How to write packages, how to write classes and interfaces, how to write variables and methods, how to write your keywords. It's a point. Somebody asked me what is interface, like class only, but some coding rules will be there. Some coding differences will be there between class and interface. Now it will not be revealed. After class completed, then interface training will be started. So theory. Now these are the points. Now make a heading. Star mark IMP data types in Java. Data types in Java. Data types in Java. The types of data which we are expecting as input to Java programs. The types of data. Underline types of data. The types of data which we are expecting as input to Java programs are known as data types in Java. The types of data which we are expecting as input to Java programs are known as data types in Java. Data types in Java are categorized into two types. Data types in Java are categorized into two types. One, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Here primitive means a single value. Non-primitive means group value. Wherever the data available in group, we can call it as non-primitive. Wherever the data available in the single form, we can call it as primitive. So primitive, non-primitive, make it. The single valued data formats. The single valued data formats are known as primitive data types. The single valued data formats are known as primitive data types. Underline single valued data formats. Single valued data formats. Primitive data types. Primitive data types are categorized into four types. Primitive data types are categorized into four types. Categorized into four types. A. Integer data types. Float data types. Character data type. Boolean data type. Integer data types, float data types, character data type, and Boolean data type. Integer data types, float data types, character data types, and Boolean data types. Four types will be there under primitive. Integer means with decimal, without decimal. Without decimal, make it. Now, the numeric data which is represented without decimal point representation. The numeric data which is represented without decimal point representation are known as integer data types. Decimal point not there means integer data types. These integer data types will have some categories. We can write it as types. We can write types. One is byte will be there. You can say 1 byte, or you can say 8 bits, you can say. So you can say short, one data type. 2 bytes. Int, we had 4 bytes, you can say. Long, you can say 8 bytes, you can say. Right. So I am writing the program now. See there. Because I must speak now what is byte, what is short, what is int, what is long. Because 4 types available. Why are there given 4 options? You can write int only, no, sir. Why is given 4 options to me? So definitely some difference will be there among that. Okay, right. Let me speak on that once. I am typing under Notepad. This is Notepad. I am taking one program here. See there. Class followed by class name. Yes or no? Right. So data types. I'm taking one class name as a data types. Open flower bracket, closed flower bracket. Inside this, I am writing public, static, void, main of S capital, string args, like this, like body. This one. Okay, right. So inside this, I will take byt byte sum. B is equal to 127. I will take. I took one variable declared by the type of byte. Byte is a data type now. I took byte. Now I am displaying it. What is the display command now? System dot out dot print ln. You write ln. When the multiple lines are there, you can write ln. Now byte value I am printing. Byte value I am printing. So plus p. Somebody asked that question, I think. Sir, why you are writing plus p? Somebody asked. So plus symbol in print method represent combining message with result. Combining message with result. Whenever you want to combine message with result, you must use plus. Plus is a concatenation process. It's a theory. Now let me save it and run it. I will save it. Click on file, save. Here. Go for our folder. Demo 142. What is the program name I taken now? Data types dot java. So select this as what now? All files. Click on save. All of you executed at least one program. Raise your hands. All of you. Okay. I said no. This week also, at any cost, do the work by your own. This week also. Week started. Sir, I am new to programming language, sir. What you are speaking also, I am not understanding, sir. Even then, I'll come to the class only, sir. Until I understand. Yes, sir, no, na. Sitting in a single day, it is possible. So, generally, when you fell down from a bicycle, you will, until you ride, you will try it or not now. Hello? Here also same. Suddenly, you may not understand all terminologies. But when you keep on reading, keep on listening, keep on working, something you will understand it. So last week, some part we understood. This week also one target is there in our hand. Sir, some knowledge I have to gain it in this week also. Something I am going to deliver it. So in that process, everybody should try to do your own work by your own. Don't depend upon anybody. Don't depend upon your friend. So if he is typing, he will learn it. You never learn it. So from today, you only should type the program. Any error is there, check my notes, uppercase, lowercase, whatever it may be, cross check, correct it, save it, again you run it like this. So I written one program. I saved the program in one location. The location is nothing but some D drive I derived. I am going to D drive and let me run it. So D drive demo 142 here CMT enter. So CLS means what now? Now Java C data types dot Java. If error is there, it displays. If error not there, we must go with the next level. Java data types. Answer is coming. Byte value is equal to 127. Anyway, answer is coming. Now, I will change this value to 128. I'll change it. That's also int value only, no? Right. Again, you have to file. Again, you click on save. Whenever you make a changes, again, you have to save it. Now go there. CLS means what now? Clear the screen. Slowly learn it. And if you know everything, no problem. Who are newcomers? You have to observe me. I am a trainer. You have to observe me and you have to go and do the same work what I am doing. Okay, right. Now I am using the command Java C data types dot Java. Error. Incompatible types. It is saying that incompatible types. Losing conversion from int to byte. Sir, why it is asking this question to me? Sorry, why this error came? Compiler shown error or not now? See how information given. One error available to you in line number 5. The error is nothing but I am unable to convert int value to byte value. I must. It is saying that only showing the arrow mark also. I cannot convert this into to byte. I'll call compiler. Compiler, come here. This is byte, no? Why you are taking it as int? Means compiler will say, Java compiler rules will be different. It says that byte and 128 you written. Up to 127, I taken it as an byte. If we cross 127, number without a decimal point, I will take it as int, it says. I am taking it as what now? Int. Why specifically you are taking 128? The reason is like this. See there. The reason. Byte, how many bits now? Sir, byte, how many bits now? 8 bits. 8 bits means you must write 2 to the power of 8. You must write 8 bits, no? You must write 2 to the power of 8. How much will come now? 256 will come. That 256 you must divide it by 2. Why divided by 2 means positive, negative, 2 parts. So what is the divided by 2 now? 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 eights. 128 came or not now? Now every language will have one range, no? Range means what now? I will take from this number to this number. So 128 I will take it. How I'll take 128 now? 128 numbers I'll take in the negative. 128 numbers I'll take in the positive. So I'll take minus 128 to plus 128 127 127 not 128. Why not 128? Because 0 is there. 0 is positive. So what is the range of byte now? Sir, 128 to plus 127. This is the range. I crossed the range, no? 128, I crossed the range. Whenever I crossed the range now, It is considered as int.
Kalau tarai ko.
Sir, why specifically int? It should be converted as short, no sir. Int is a default consideration of int. Among integer family, if you write any number without a decimal, your compiler will take it as an int. It takes as an what now? Int. That's the point. Now, if you want to take a short example, next data type is there, no? Short. If I want to take a short now, short, how many bytes now? 2 bytes. 2 bytes means how many bits now? 16 bits. Then what is the range now? The range is 2 to the power of 16 is the range, sir, like this. 2 to the power of 16. Sir, 2 to the power of 16 means 65,536. Right. Now, 65,536. 536 divided by 2. Because I must convert into positive and negative, no? Right. 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 7s, 2 6, 2 8s, 32, 768. Then what is the range now? Sir, range is equal to minus 32, 768 to plus 32, 767. Understood this? Right. I will take the range from here to here. I will take it. Now, if I want to take one value more than 127, you must take what now? Short, you have to take it. So, other given short. Short sum S is equal to, you can take 32, roughly I'm taking 32, 767. Last border I'm taking. Okay, right. Now print it here. Whenever I want to print it, system dot out dot print ln here short value. Sir, short value is equal to plus S. CLS. Now I am compiling the program. Java C data types and Java data type. Short value is coming now, right? If I cross that boundary, 32, 768, if I cross it, 768, if I cross it, I am crossing 768. Error will come. Error is coming or not? It says again int. When you cross the boundary, it says int. All of you understood the range, all of you, like this. The other given one range for short, one range for int, one range for byte, one range for short, one range for int, one range for long. So whenever you want to take a int now, you can take more number in int. Suppose I want to take int I is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm taking one biggest number more than that 32. I am printing int. Now system dot out dot print ln. I am taking int value. I am taking int value is equal to I. So click on file and save. Clear the screen here. CLS, recompile the program. So re-execute the program. Answer is coming or not now? So the last one is long actually. So why your other given long means for your phone number, especially phone number, credit card number, debit card number, account number, they are all biggest numbers or not now? For that numbers, your other given as long. So let me write one phone number. Suppose I will take one long. Long some PH number, roughly phone number is equal to 9898981234. I will write it. Here I am printing system dot out dot print ln. I will take one ph number, phone number is equal to ph number. Somebody asked that question also to me. Sir, whenever I take a big number, error is coming. They said to me. Now say there, error will come to me. Integer is too large. It is asking. Again, I'll call compiler. Come here. You're creating headache to me. So there I written long no. That only question asked by a student to me. Sir, why it is not taking means if you take one number without a decimal point, it is counted as an int. It will not count as an long. Then how to make it as an long? Then in Java especially, you must write L in the RHS. What you must write now? L. Whenever in the RHS, if you write L, the compiler will understand, okay, this is one long number. It understands. Now, whenever I write L here, the error will go. The error will go and the answer will come. Answer is coming or not now, right? So finally, sir, where I should use byte, where I should use short, where I should use int, where I should use longer. Can I make a notes down now? Right, see there. Sir, there are 4 options available to me. So everything will have a range. That range table I'll upload in your Google Classroom. One document is there saying that ranges and operator precedences. One document will be there with us. We upload that, you can see it. The document I shown how to calculate. I shown the number of bits will be there. 2 to the power of that divided by 2, range will come. So I'll upload one document to you, ranges, byte, short, int, long, float, double. The range table I'll give it. Who are having a patience, you can by heart them. Okay, right. Now note. Sir, where to use what? I want to know, sir. Make it. Byte and short. Byte and short. Byte and short are special data types. Byte and short are special data types which are used to hold stream data. Stream data. Sir, stream data means what, sir? Multimedia data. Your other given that for multimedia data. The 2 data types will support you for multimedia actually. We have the other given that 2. Sir, how it supports multimedia? Example. How it supports multimedia means, suppose you are uploading one 200 KB file, you are uploading to internet. 200 KB file, example. 200 KB means lakhs of bits will come. If it convert into bits, lakhs of bits will come. The lakhs of bits should flow on the network. Whenever it is flowing on the network, lakhs of bits, according to Java rule will be there. At a time, 0, 1, 2, single bit you cannot send it. You send as a group. So there are 2 formats you can send it. 8-bit, 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 you can send it. Whenever you want to send 8-bit, 8-bit, we take the byte and we hold it and send it. Second option, 16-bit, 16-bit flow is there. So 2 options will be there. 8-bit flow, 16-bit flow in Java. That is one chapter to you here. That is one chapter. What is the chapter now? File storage. Today I shown the package also to you. IO. Just now I shown the package or not now? IO. That package deals about that only, multimedia data. They're learning that only. Example, HTML started and not started, I don't know. But if it is started, your HTML trainer will train you how to read images. HTML trainer will train you how to read images. If you take your gmail.com, if you take it, there one attached file is there, no? Yes or no? Na? When you are composing a mail, if you want to upload your resume, there one attached file will be there. If you click on that attached file, you're going to select one file, resume.txt, .doc, some file. Now that may be 20 KB minimum, if not 10 KB file. It will be uploaded or not now. If you click it, it's sending to server, no. Moving on the network, no. Java developer will decide what type of stream to be taken. The stream I must hold somewhere, no. Suppose all lakhs of bits are coming. I must collect it. 8, I must send it. 8, I must send it. If I want to collect one 8, some declaration needed. For that, your Aadhaar given byte. Understand the statement now? Whenever I want to send 16-bit, Aadhaar given, short E given. This one batch I executed that. I trained them already. Uploading resumes, uploading thumb impressions, uploading 20 KB file for your group applications. That applications are there or not now? Scanned documents, you have to upload it. They are all streams only actually. For that, I trained one batch actually. The stream. That analysis I done for one batch. Core Java batch only. I done one analysis for them. The stream. One analysis I done for one batch. What kind of streams will be flowing on? Input to stream, output to stream, file, console, socket, network. How flows will be going on? If you want to take one input stream, as a object-oriented programmer, how to send one object? How to send one object? Here stream will be going on. This is part of your course. I only will train you how to upload that components used by me. Advanced Java, I'll upload it. Here, that analysis will be done. Here, 3 people will be participated because we said HTML. Go to HTML and learn how to attach the file. Go to database and learn it. How to store that file. Come to Java developer and learn it. What are streams? Then I'll combine into one application because we asked you to start 3 batches. HTML trainer will design one form and he'll train you how to take that file. Database trainer will create one file and say blob and clop. How to store that image, how to store .txt, how to store .doc, he trains. Then will come to me. I'll train the stream concept. I'll take all this knowledge to Advanced Java, will down application, upload your resumes, photographs, or whatever the files. There, in intermediate to hold the data, Aadhaar given 2 options to me. One is byte, one is short. It's a concept. Speak in the interview. Where we are using byte. So byte and short are special data types which are used to hold stream data. If anybody says what is stream data, up to now you say multimedia data. When my chapter completed, you can speak more. When my chapter is over, you can speak more. When you completed Advanced Java, you can speak more than the market, you can speak it. Because you'll upload the resume also. Understood the statement now? So levels will be there. So today, the 2 data types are introduced to you. Sir, what is this int then? Int is used by the programmer to hold normal integer data. Whenever you want to hold normal int data, in your last Friday and Saturday, without your knowledge, you are taking int or not now. By default, I'll write int, sir. The same developer, by default, he will write int. He never write byte and short. Byte and short, special training needed to use them. So int, daily you can use it. Make it. Second point. int is used. Int is used in normal programming. 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 Again, I am repeating. My classes, you must not miss it. Core Java class, you must not miss it. Because streams are with me. Network is with me. Multi-thread is with me. Object-oriented is with me. Data structures through Java is with me. Fundamentals are with me. Alphabets are with me. Concepts are with me. Features are with me. Major your career 80% is with me only. Frankly speaking, all basics are with me. All updations are in the next course. Application, whatever you learn from me, you will apply there. So they given a largest time to me. I only should play a crucial role to you. Understand? Because I am showing and motivating you, where I only will use a bite and shot very clearly. I will train it. Daily use int. Understood the statement now? Sir, where I should use long? Just to understood now. Long is used to hold biggest numbers like phone number, card number, credit card number, and so on. Wherever the biggest numbers are there, more than 10 digits, 12 digits, 16 digits, then you can take long. Long means what now? 8 bits. 8 into 8, 8 8 is 64. 2 to the power of 64. Biggest range will come or not now. So it can accept almost 16 digits number. It can accept. Make it. So long. Long is used to hold biggest number. Biggest numbers. Biggest numbers like phone numbers, card numbers, account numbers, dot, dot, dot. Right. Here one rule will be there. You have to identify. I'm writing rule. Right. In the process of assigning, assigning means loading the value. In the process of assigning long value, we must use L in the RHS of declaration. Make it rule. One rule you have to follow here. One coding rule you have to follow. Wherever I write a rule and you draw one box and keep it for reading purpose, you have to follow them. In the process of assigning long value, in the process of assigning long value, in the process of assigning long value, we must use capital L or small l in RHS of declaration. RHS of declaration. In the process of assigning long value, we must use L in RHS of declaration. RHS means what now? Right hand side, like this. Example, in the above program, I am using long phone number, PH number is equal to 9898981234L. You can use small l or you can use capital L. Both are accepted. All of you understood int family? Right. Int means what now? Number without a decimal point. We call it as integer. How many are available in the integer now? 4. What are they? byte, short, int, long. In normal programming, you're going to use what now? Int. When the biggest numbers are coming like phone number, you must use long. Remaining two, I will train it separately. Part of streams chapter, how to use a byte and short, I will train it. That's a point you have to speak in the market to you. Now take float data type. Opposite to your integer, we had float data types. Float data types. The data types, which are represented, the data types which are represented in the data types which are represented in, which are represented with decimal point representation. The data types which are represented with decimal point representation are known as float data types. The data types which are represented with decimal point representation are known as float data types. Now types, two types will be there. One is float. Float means 4 bytes. Double means 8 bytes. 8 bytes. Float means 4 bytes. And here, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Right. Look here. Now, float, and double. Example. Suppose if I want to take this float now here. I am taking one float value. Any one value I'll take it. Some Z I will take it. Equal to 12.34 I'll take. That is a float value. Double. X I will take it. 234.56. Here only many people confused actually. Sir, why error came now for you when you are calculating here? Error will come generally. Now I am displaying that. So system dot out dot print ln here. Now float value I am printing chat. Now system dot out dot println double value is equal to, this is X. Now see there, I am saving the program here and I am compiling the program. Whenever I compile the program now, error will come. So how many of you faced this error? Raise your hands. Right. Okay. Sir, why I am facing this problem means, whenever we assign one float value in the RHS, whenever we assign one float value in the RHS with the decimal point, now it is automatically considered as double, not float. In your integer family, automatically int, here automatically double, because it says cannot convert from double to float. You can see cannot convert from double to float. Why means I am taking this number as in double automatically. The numeric number which is represented with decimal point automatically considered as double. So how to convert this double form to float means how to assign the value. You must use F in the RHS of declaration. In the last Saturday, somebody shown that I typed Fn given. Why I typed Fn given means to remove that error. But here, whenever we want to assign one float value, you must use F in the RHS of declaration. F in the RHS of declaration. See there. Whenever I declare F here, error will go and answer will come. All of you observe this, right? Now the statement is, in the normal programming, we use float. Whenever biggest scientific calculated value is coming, means biggest value, then we go with double. Here the coding rule is, when we want to assign float value, you must use F in the RHS of declaration. If anybody facing that problem, you can use F. If not, take it as double, answer will come. To come out of that error, use double and come out. Great. Make a statement here. Here, we use float in normal programming. We use float in normal programming. We use double to hold. We use double to hold biggest scientific calculated values. If very large number is coming in float, we must use double. Here rule is, in the process of assigning float value, in the process of assigning float value, we must use, in the process of assigning float value, you must use F or F in the RHS of declaration. In the process of assigning float value, we must use F in the RHS of declaration. You can take lowercase f or uppercase f, you can take it. Example, I took float some z is equal to 12.34 f. Now, if I give a solution, you can understand. Now, if I give a solution there for the programs, now you can understand, right? Now I'll write the solutions. Tomorrow I'll write the solution there. Now you'll understand because float came, int also came. All of you understood this up to here, right? So integer means with decimal or without decimal? Without decimal. Int has how many options now? 4. What are they? Byte, short, int, long. Byte and short for stream data. You speak it in the interview. Int for normal programming, what you're writing daily. Whenever we want to hold biggest numbers, we must use long. While practicing, I'll show them very clearly. I'll show them. While practicing, you also can remember anyway. Moreover, that range table, I'll upload it today. The ranges, I'll show all ranges and I'll upload. And somebody asked me, sir, that total marks divided by 600 into 100 not working means some precedences will be there. So in what order they are executed will be there. So I'll show that table also to you. The 2 tables will be uploaded to you. You can check it out. Meanwhile, float means with decimal, without decimal, with decimal. So float has how many options now? 2 options. What are they? Float and double. In normal programming, we use what now? Float. Whenever the biggest calculated values are coming, you must use what now? Double. All of you clear about this statement, right? Here, 2 coding rules you have to remember. In integer family, when we want to assign one long value, you must use L in the RHS of declaration. In float family, whenever we want to assign one float value, you must use F in the RHS of declaration. All of you clear, right? Can I do that char and boolean tomorrow? Right. So today assignment not there. Just read the notes and come. Tomorrow 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, I'll discuss about your char and boolean. The 2 assignments what I given to you, I'll explain it tomorrow. Right. After that, one more assignment will be given by tomorrow to you because data types came now. So you can do more now when compared to last week. Now you can apply that and do it because some knowledge you gained it. So tomorrow char will come, boolean will come. In non-primitive, object-oriented introduction will come tomorrow. That non-primitive data type, that only object-oriented introduction available in the non-primitive. Okay, right. This week at any cost, don't miss the classes because object-oriented introduction is going by tomorrow to you. Right. Thank you very much for today, Andy.